Welcome to Pens, Planners, and Productivity. This is day 4 of Plan a Better Work Week. Remember yesterday when I said the video editing was going to become Thursday's problem? Well, hello Thursday, here we are. I want my Facebook post to go out first thing in the morning, so I'll do that first. I seriously underestimated how long editing and scheduling those videos was going to take yesterday, so that's where we're going next. I need to finish up the editing. If a task is small, I usually don't rewrite it unless I have to move it to the next week. Since this task will take a good chunk of the day, again, I'll rewrite it. And then I need to record, edit, and publish today's Plan a Better Workweek video. That's today's list. And since we've been trying a different way to show our ABCDE priorities every day this week, today we're going to use symbols. I'm going with stars. 3 stars will mean an A priority. 2 stars will mean B, and 1 star will mean C. Today I have 2 A tasks that have to get done and 1 B task that should get finished. You can watch the video linked above to get more information on how to properly set up your priorities. So now I can see my priorities based on the number of stars they have. Okay, I'm happy to report the editing is finally done. That task took way longer than I expected when I originally put it on Wednesday's planner, but it's finished. And I have to admit that checkmark feels really good. I also got my Facebook post published, and I recorded, edited, and will publish today's Plan a Better Workweek video. So Thursday went much more according to plan than Wednesday did. But I think these 2 days together are a pretty good example of what real planning looks like. Wednesday's plan didn't work out exactly the way I expected. I didn't throw it away. I didn't decide I was behind. And I didn't try to stay up half the night checking off everything I'd written down. I just looked at what was most important, carried the unfinished work into Thursday, and kept going. And now it's done. That's one of the things I really like about having my priorities marked right here in my planner. When something doesn't get finished, I don't have to treat every unchecked task like an emergency. I already know which one needs to come with me first. And sometimes your Wednesday plan becomes your Thursday plan. That's real life. Tomorrow, we'll try our 5th and final way of showing priorities in the planner, and then we can decide which of these methods we actually like best. I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll plan a better work week together.